Is your right to vote under attack, or is this a necessary cleanup? Today, a massive political storm has erupted between the centre and West Bengal. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has launched a blistering attack on the Mamata Banerjee government, accusing them of shielding infiltrators by opposing the Special Intensive Revision or SIR of voters' rolls. This comes right after the BJP's victory in Bihar, which Shah calls a mandate against infiltration. But there is a darker side to the story. In Bengal, the ruling TMC calls this a super emergency. And tragically, multiple block-level officers have reportedly died due to the extreme pressure of this verification drive. What is the truth behind the list? I am Dash, and this is the full report on the battle for Bengal's voter rolls. This was just a 1-minute summary of this developing story. For the detailed report, including the heartbreaking cost of this administrative drive and the full political background, keep watching this report further. The controversy centers around the Special Intensive Revision or SIR of electoral rolls, a process the Election Commission has initiated to purify voter list. While this is a technical exercise, it has turned into a political battleground. On November 21, 2025, Home Minister Amit Shah, speaking at a BSF event, explicitly linked the recent NDA victory in Bihar to a nationwide sentiment against illegal immigration. He stated that the opposition to SIR is merely a tactic to keep infiltrators on the voter list. However, the situation on the ground in West Bengal is volatile. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has written to the Election Commission demanding an immediate halt to the process. The impact on the ground force, the block-level officers, has been severe. Reports confirm that the BLO named Shanti Maneeka in Jalpaiguri died by suicide, allegedly due to the unbearable pressure of verifying thousands of voters in a compressed timeline. The TMC claims over 28 people associated with this work have died due to stress and exhaustion. This is not just about paperwork, it's about fear. In border districts, panic has set in, with reports of people fleeing towards the Bangladesh border, fearing their names will be struck off and they will be detained. The TMC alleges this is a backdoor implementation of the NRC. The deadline for this revision is tight and the political rhetoric is at all-time high, with the BJP insisting on a clean list for the 2026 assembly polls and the TMC fighting what they call the disenfranchisement of legitimate citizens. We will keep tracking the investigation into the BLO deaths and the Election Commission's response.